up to the end, he goes out analyzing areas where there were discrepancies, and you would notice, my lords and my ladies, that in totality, the discrepancies accounted for votes which are more than 140,000 votes. And in our submission, that has an impact on the result of the elections as declared. And I invite your lordships and my ladies to look at those particular analysis and annexures attached to the affidavit of Arnold Oginga. In the same way, in a further affidavit, Mr. Arnold Oginga carries out an analysis in response to the responses to the petition by the respondents. And my lords, again, you would notice the number of votes that were being manipulated in order to secure a result that would favor the second respondent. And we have attached the relevant documentation, the forms showing the results, from 34A's, 34B's, those particular forms. And finally, the Form 34B, which is a collation of votes at the constituency tallying centers. Now, my lords, I would conclude by saying that unlike many elections, this particular election, there was deceit, there was manipulation, and all this was premeditated and made possible by the attack, if I may put it that way, on the IT structure and system of the Electoral Commission. The way that the Commission was able to deal with the forms when uploaded and downloaded, staged, transmitted, deleted, all this in totality, if you look at the case we put before you, my lords and my ladies, set out in the affidavits that I referred to, shows an election that was rigged in favor of the second respondent. And on that basis, my lords, we urge that you nullify the elections on the basis of the fact that the second respondent did not attain more than 50% plus one of the votes cast in the election. I thank you. I now invite Ms. Julie Soweto to deal with the second limb of our submissions.
Good morning, my ladies and my lords. I will deal with issue number 3, 4, and 5 as identified by the court, and that is whether there was a difference between Forms 34A uploaded on the IBC portal and the Forms 34A received at the National